and I did another degree, and then I applied for medicine as well. So one of the main things is, if you don't get in first time, don't give up. It's been said before, there's plenty of ways to get into medicine, and I actually did the graduate entry medicine, which is only 4 years instead of 5, but you do have to do a degree before, so it's actually 7, so it is longer. But in some ways it's better because you develop these communication skills over time. You've already done a degree, so you know academically what is expected of you. And then for medicine, it's just that step up, and it is a totally different degree to other degrees. It's hard work, there's a lot of work, but it's fun. It's not the sort of work that you have to sit at home on a Sunday night typing out. You know, you are on the wards, you are speaking to patients, you are getting into theatre if that's what you want to do. Hopefully the doctors will talk to you. But you get hands-on, and that is the best thing about a medical degree for me.